How to redeem cashback rewards on Discover Bank website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you got cashback rewards waiting, well here is how to redeem them on the Discover Bank website. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from your account dashboard, you simply have to select your credit card account to access rewards and there you can just click on rewards in the menu and then choose redeem cashback bonus and there you will see options like statement credit, direct deposit, gift cards or even pay with cashback. So there you can pick the option you want, enter the amount and confirm your redemption. And with that, your cashback will be applied instantly for credit or within a few business days for other options. And that's it. That's how you can redeem cashback rewards on Discover Bank website. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.